Maddie. No, I don't want to hear the excuses already. No. No excuses. Have a piece of ice. Here. There you go. Look what you did. Jack, don't pretend you haven't seen any of this occur. It's a stuffy snowstorm. Look at this. And I don't think Ellie did it all by herself. Though Ellie does do a pretty good job. Oh, thanks for the video bomb. That was nice. No, I don't want to hear the excuses. Look at this mess. Look at this. I know you're trying to pin it on the cat, but it's not. I'm not going to buy it. So look at all these toys. Snow. Oh boy, oh boy. Look at you are a sassy lassie. That's enough. Maddie, shush. Yeah, stick a pig in it. That's a good idea. That's a great idea. Oh, now it's time for the Stuffie swap. You guys, I just don't know. No, we're not going to destuff your nice bone from Aunt Sue and Lady Darla's crew. Oh, jeez. Get a puppy, they said. It'll be fun, they said. There'll be a trail of chaos, they didn't say. And away we go again. No. We're saving the bone. Jack, don't pretend like you don't know what's going on. Jack's just happy it's not him. Oh, whoops. Spoke a little too soon there, Mom. Oh, decisions. Do I pester Jack or do I play with my bone? I don't know what to do. So many hard choices you have to make as a puppy. What do you think? Yeah, just go back and return to the scene of the crime. Ellie. I don't know about this Maddie girl. So we do know that she loves ice cubes. Oh, now we have soundtrack by Ellie, who's playing the bone. Oh, you two. You love your de-stuffy fests. Oh, here we go. Let's drag the puppy across the carpet, see if she gets rug burn. Come on, Ellie. Put some weight in it. You two. It's unfortunate, Ellie, isn't it? Not even 11 months old and you're already outweighed. But you're gonna... Come on, you can do it, Ellie. Back it up. Back it up. Tug her out. Oh, this is such a musical tug-of-war. The bone still has its squeaker, which may not last for long. All right, you two, we got to clean this mess up. Somewhere in this, I have to teach you how to clean up. Put your toys back. What do you think about that? I think we'll just wait for Mom to clean up. And this is why Mom doesn't get a lot done some days, because she just sits here and watches the two of you play. Funny girls. Okay, I know we all want to see how this ends, but we still have stuff to do. Oh, isn't that a pretty face? Oh, Jack has decided to depart. He escaped while the escaping was good. All right, guys. Oh, oh. And she backs up and she lies down. And then she lays on her side. So Ellie can back up. And I think you just love this game of drag me everywhere. Funny girls. Love you, Ellie. Love you, Maddie.